Okay, everyone, it's Terry, and this is an unboxing. And honestly, I am not responsible for this. Well, I am. I bought it. But when you're heavily influenced by an influencer and a friend, then you trust his judgment and his referrals very closely. Therein lies where you fall into the hole, the piggy bank hole, if you may. So, here's a little story. Let me tell you about it. Here we go. Hello. TD! Hey, bud. What's up? Having a good day? What you got for sale? Tell me something good. Yo, TD. When you gonna look at that link? You gotta get on that. Check it out. El Plantio. I sent you a link. Dude, I'm too broke. I'm trying to save my money up for Tamiami. We gotta get in touch with Claude Hamilton. We gotta get some of them Hamlins. Encyclia, dude. Encyclia. Stay with the program. Hold on a second. I'm gonna send you a pic. Did you see that pic? I had to buy 4 Vandas. Yeah. 4. Robling's just clean. Okay, then. Let me open it up 1 second. Oh. Uh-oh. Gotta go. He crazy, y'all. He a world idiot. Not just a Floridian, world idiot. And the result of that, temptation, is this. So, let's dig through carefully on the ad, and you will see what I was tempted with this time. I love the way they plant them, and now that I see, that I know what, look at that. These out. Obviously, what they are, we can see in this big jar here, which I will remove first, since this was the piece de resistance. My love and current, well, one of my current obsessions with, as far as orchids is concerned. And here's one more. Pull this out and then this out in the box. Out of the way. All right. Careful not to disturb the roots. So the tag, Trichocentrum Michael Jackson. Okay. There are previous bloom spikes, as you see. Lots and lots of roots, more bloom spikes. And I'll try to find the cross. All right. Let me Gently push that back in here. There's the rubber bands. Easy. VCT Playa Sanibel, which is, I'm not going to pretend to know it. Anyway, it's BCT Sun Gold times Versabla Cordata. And nice growth over here that's new and maturing. Some previously grown spikes. Excellent. Put that back in there. And I'm going to close I see a flower spike. Possibly, maybe a sweet flower spike, but this is BC Petite Stars, which is discouraged from my existence. I've had so many issues with that, which could be its own video, and may very well be, along with a few others, including my very old and dear friend, Dimorphorcus. Okay, and this last one, which should be Yellowbird times Lug Tone, which I believe is the yellow Lug Tone, the original San Diego. So 2 in, 4 in, and let's see, yeah, BC Yellowbird times Lug Tone, which is a Cattleya LC Lug Tone. And look, that could be a bud, or yeah, a sheath that's popped through. We shall see. Anyhow, that's my haul. Thank you, bud. I love the purchases. I couldn't have done without them, especially Michael Jackson. Rest in peace. Okay. Enjoy your orchids. Bye.